PDCA. It's one of the most important tools in Lean for delivering improvements. So it's an acronym. It stands for plan, do, check, and act or adjust. Now the PDCA cycle is a sequence of repeating steps to be done repetitively over a period of time. It's a tool that's used throughout the business, but especially in the innovation and design of processes. And whilst it's very widely used and known, it all too often is just people who jump to the do. So they just start with whatever improvement action comes to mind, which misses the other steps and the power of this method. So truly practicing PDCA does require some discipline. And for new practitioners, maybe some support and coaching, maybe from the Lean Support Office if you're fortunate enough to have one, can be very beneficial, especially on the planning and the checking stages. So what do they mean? Well, P for plan, that's about making hypotheses or proposing ideas about what you think the problem is and how you're going to test to check you're right. Then D is for do. This is trying the solution and using that to identify what works. C then is for check. This is about observing and reflecting on the results of your implementation, and if it's worked, then learning from it. And finally, act or adjust, or let's say standardize. Once we've tested the solution and checked it, let's make fine adjustments if required, but now lock this in. Standard work, SOPs, standardize it. And improvements never stop. Go again. It's the PDCA cycle.